Most AI automation fails in small businesses, not because the tools are bad, not because AI does not work. It fails because AI is usually added to broken workflows, and the result is predictable. More complexity, more notifications, more software, but still missed leads, still slow responses, and still frustrated owners. In this video, I will explain why that happens and what actually works instead. No hype, no complicated tools, and no technical jargon. Here is the core idea. AI automation does not create structure. It amplifies whatever structure already exists. So if your lead handling is already unclear, AI does not fix that. It just moves the chaos faster. That is why two businesses can buy the same automation tool and get completely different outcomes. The difference is not the software, it is the system underneath. There are three common failure patterns. Once you see these, you will start noticing them everywhere. Failure pattern number one is automating chaos. This usually looks like multiple lead sources, no clear intake logic, no prioritization, no response rules, and no one fully owning follow-up. So AI gets layered on top to handle it. But automation does not decide what matters. It executes instructions. And if the instructions are unclear, automation just spreads confusion. That is why businesses end up with outcomes like missing high-intent leads, over-automating low-value inquiries, and creating alerts that nobody trusts. Failure pattern number two is starting with conversations instead of decisions. A lot of businesses jump straight to chatbots, artificial intelligence responders, virtual assistants, automated conversations. But most businesses do not actually need more conversations. They need clean decisions. They need lead classification, simple routing, and fast human response when it matters. Before artificial intelligence talks to anyone externally, it should answer one question internally. What is this, and where should it go? Without that, bots do not help. They distract. Failure pattern number three is tool collecting. More software gets added. One tool for forms, one tool for messaging, one tool for automation, one tool for AI, one tool for calendars, one tool for reporting. But nothing connects cleanly, and the system becomes fragile. It works until it does not. And when it breaks, it often breaks silently. That is the dangerous part. Leads get missed, follow-ups do not happen, and nobody notices until revenue drops. Automation works best when it is boring, predictable, and visible, not clever. A good system should be understandable at a glance, not impressive in a demo. So what actually works? Here is the simple version. Before AI does anything externally, four things should exist. First, clear lead entry points, meaning you know exactly where leads can come from, and you keep it controlled. Second, basic classification, human or AI assisted. The point is, you know what the lead actually wants. Third, response rules with time expectations. For example, if a lead is high intent, it gets handled immediately. If a lead is low intent, it gets handled in batches. And fourth, visibility for the owner, meaning someone can look at the system and instantly see what came in, what got handled, and what is still waiting. Once those four things exist, AI becomes useful. Before that, it is noise. AI works best when it supports decisions, not when it replaces clarity. So, if you are evaluating AI automation right now, do not start with software. Start with your process. The tools matter, but only after the system does.